Hi, this is Diana. This is my presentation function scope. I think we all are related um, to this function scope. We've been working all the semester with the scope. So function scope has two types of scopes, local scope and global scopes. Scopes determines the accessibility or visibility of these variables. So what I understood is that the scope is the visibility, if they or other functions can access it or not. Variables defined inside a functions are not accessible, visible from outside the functions. So for example, we have the local variable. Local variables have a local scope. They can only be accessed within the function. For example, if we have the function my function and inside the function is a var car name equal to Volvo. Only this function can access the variable car name because it's a local scope. It can be only accessed in this part of the function. And we have the global scope. A variable declared outside a function becomes global. A global variable has a global scope. All scripts and functions on the web page can access it. So here in this example, we don't have the var name inside the function. So which this means that all more functions can call this variable and they can access it. Since local variables are only recognized inside their functions, variables with the same name can be used in different functions. Local variables are created when a function starts and deleted when the function is completed, and in the global scope is different. And I have this example from our Acme files. I know all of you have the beginning this problem with the nav list. It's undefined because I just run the home page. So it cannot access the nav list because it doesn't have the scope. So when I run it through the index, because it's a global scope, it can access and now we can have it. Do not create a global variable unless you intend to. Your global variables or functions can override window variables or functions. Any function including the window object can override your global variable and functions. JavaScript variables In JavaScript, objects and functions are also variables. The scope determines the accessibility of variables, objects, and functions from different parts of the scope of the code. Thanks for watching.